children, today we will discuss how to change the interrogative sentences direct speech to indirect speech. So children, if the reporting verb of interrogative sentence is said, then in indirect speech it will change asked, inquired, wanted to know. As you know children that we can make the questions in two ways. First, starting with question word, what, where, when, why, and second, started with the helping verb. So you see children here example number 1, if the question started with where. So reporting verb we will use asked, inquired. Then after reported speech, how we change? We will write the question word first, then after you will be changed into I, right? And then we use simple past. You see here it is where do you live. Here you see do is given and do is simple past. Then indirect speech will be changed into simple past. This is simple present and that will change in simple past. So the answer will be where I lived. No conjunction will use here. Let's see the next. My mother asked, are you studying? The indirect speech, my mother asked. If asked is given, then it will be same. If said is given, then it will be changed asked. Asked me, then we use if or whether. Right? Here what we use if or whether in place of that. That we will not use here. In interrogative sentences, we will not use that. If the question word is there, then we will not use anything. Directly we will write only. And if helping verb is there, then we will use if or whether. I was studying. You will be changed into I. Okay. If you is given in direct speech, then it will change into I in indirect speech. Here you see present tense, so here it will be past tense. Present continuous, past continuous. So if or whether, only one you will apply here, anyone. If or whether you can use anyone, right? Then you use I was studying. Ask me if whether I was studying. I hope you understood this. It's very easy. If you practice, then you can do, no problem. Let's see the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, you know, request, command, order, suggestion. Then reporting verb will be changed in requested, asked, pleaded, ordered, commanded, etc. according to the sentence. If request is there, if please is written, then we change requested. If order is given, then we use ordered and command. If suggestion is given, then we write suggested. And then we use to plus verb. What we use? To plus verb. You see here children, the teacher said to the student, shut the door. Here teacher ordered. So what we write? The teacher commanded. Commanded and ordered, anyone you can write. Both are used for order. The teacher ordered the student. What? Before verb you will write to. To shut the door. Inverted comma, comma will be removed. I hope you understood this children. Let's see the exclamatory sentence, how to change. Then reporting verb will be changed into exclaimed in wonder, amazed, sorrow, joy according to the feeling. Exclaimed in wonder, exclaimed in joy, exclaimed in sorrow. Let's see the example. The tourist said, what a beautiful place Kashmir is. The tourist exclaimed that Kashmir was a beautiful place. Here we use that to connect reporting verb and reported speech. Here is given, then it will be changed into was. I hope you understood children. After that, apart from these rules, there are also some changes. For example, is, was, am, was, are, were. Let's see some other points. Have, had, has, had, does, did, do, did. Then modals can change could, will change would, shall, should, may, might, must, had to, here, there, this, that, these, those, now, then, today, that day, yesterday, the day before, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, ago, before. So here you change these words accordingly. So children, I hope you understood these explanations. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you so much.